turn on my lights. Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas day 17. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. If you're new here, I'm a freshman at San Diego State and this is what I eat as a college freshman. I'm gonna walk y'all through my day, just vlog, and show you everything I eat. I have a pretty long day ahead of me, but one of the first things I always do in the morning is drink water. So I always keep a water bottle on my nightstand. This is my current one. Guys, she's so pretty. She's pink and gold one from Stanley. And this is one of the Pro Leak lids. Just so cool, so it doesn't leak anywhere. But at nighttime, I always fill it up with ice and more water. And you guys, nothing is better than ice cold water. Cheers. I usually carry my water bottle everywhere with me during college, to class, to dance practice, to the gym. I feel like I always make it a goal to like be pretty good on my water intake. But anyways, I am gonna get up now, get ready for the day, and let's have an amazing day, everyone. I look a little crazy, but I'm currently curling my hair for the day. I filmed what I eat in a week, I'm pretty sure, like a few months ago towards the beginning of first semester, and I explained SDSU's meal plan in that video, but I'll just reiterate. So as a freshman, we have 3 levels of meal plan here: Flex 5, Flex 7, and Meals Plus. Flex 5, you get a certain amount of money on the weekdays and then it doesn't roll over, so you like have to spend it that day. And then kind of similar with Flex 7, you get a similar amount on the weekdays and weekends, and again, it doesn't roll over. And then Meals Plus, which is the biggest one, and that's the one I have, you get a certain amount of money every single week, as well as meal swipes, and then those roll over. And at SDSU, it's really cool because unlike other colleges, we have a restaurant-based meal plan rather than dining halls. So when you walk around campus, there's just a bunch of restaurants that you can use your meal plan at, and I think it's really neat. I know sophomore year you can also have the option of getting meal plan, like these 3 levels, and I will say I do like it for my freshman year because like I don't have my car, so obviously I can't go off campus to get food, but everything is on campus anyway. However, sophomore year, I'm probably not gonna do the meal plan just because I'll have my car, I'll have a kitchen in my apartment because that's how housing is, and hopefully I'll be able to like cook more food rather than just eating at all the restaurants. But for my freshman year, I've really liked it. So I definitely have some favorite spots. Some of my favorites off the top of my head, definitely Shake Smart and Eureka, which are the 2 places I get my acai bowls. Definitely really like Eureka, which is like a sit-down restaurant. Me and Ava go there a lot for like dinner and stuff. One Half Pokey is really yummy. Rubio's in East Commons, which I'll try to show later on campus. And then honestly, Aztec markets are really neat. It's basically like little grocery stores throughout campus, and you can get like little snacks, microwavable food, easy drinks to pick up, stuff like that. It's pretty cool though because some people, I think they get kind of sick of like the food since it's the same restaurants, but honestly, I think there are so many options to choose from that it's easy to like switch it up a lot of the times and like try new things. So that's how the meal plan is here at SDSU. Of course, I also like to keep food in my dorm. From time to time, I will also Postmate stuff, but obviously my main priority for the week is to like use up all of my money on my meal plan first. And so I'll show you guys an example of how I do that today. Outfit of the day, I'm just wearing some workout clothes. Jacket is from Lulu. I'm wearing a workout set from White Fox. Sweatpants are from Gymshark, and then my shoes are from Hoka. Here is what's on today's agenda. Starting the day with a workout, if you couldn't tell by my outfit. I'm actually taking a class at the ARC, which is the gym here at State. I'm taking a yoga and meditation class, which I haven't tried before here, so I'm really excited. After that, I want to work out on my own. I think I want to hit upper body and then run today. And then I have one class, just a quick hour lecture to get ready for my final exam, which is just crazy. And then later tonight, we have a men's basketball game. So it's gonna be a fun and busy day. Time to pack my bag and head out. Got my laptop, my keys. Last thing I need to pack is some more water. Y'all already know. Got my lovely ice maker over here. She may be noisy, but she's definitely very handy. And then I actually have a bunch of these, so heavy, like water jugs under my bed, because I'm not gonna lie, dorm water is not it. So I just buy a bunch of water bottles like Costco. I know a lot of people have Britas to like filter out the water, which I've heard is good too, but this has been working for me, so I'm also going to add a liquid IV packet. Guys, this is my new favorite flavor. It's the mango passion fruit. So yummy. I drink these a lot, especially being on dance team, and again trying to like up my water intake. But this has extra electrolytes, and then also this one in particular has immune support, which is really nice because y'all know winter in college it's very easy to get sick. So I'm gonna pour this in my water. All right, we are ready to go. Heading to the gym right now, but I think I'm gonna stop by, oh, just kidding. I was gonna say I was gonna head to Aztec Market, but it doesn't open until 9 a.m. I forgot, and it's only 8 a.m. Low-key, I think I'll just go to Shake Smart then, pick up an acai bowl. I don't want to eat something too heavy before my workout, of course, so I think that'll be a yummy little start to my day. It's so easy to order here because you just put your phone number and all of your past orders will be saved, so I always get a bilge bowl. I get granola, peanut butter, bananas, and coconut flakes, and you guys, it is so freaking yummy. Boom. And then now I just check out at the register. Thank you. Have a good one. Here she is. Ugh, I love this bowl so much. Heading to my yoga class now. It starts in like 20 minutes, so good enough time to scarf this down. But I usually eat these pretty fast anyway. So yeah, there's my breakfast. I'll see you guys when I'm at the gym. Guys, that class was fire. So relaxing. Just did some like deep stretching and meditation. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick and then we're gonna get on with the rest of my workout. Workout is done. I am done. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kind of tired though after that. I was working on my sprints after my upper body workout. Running is so hard, you guys. I'm trying to get better at it. Anyways, I'm gonna sit here at BCB. Weather's so weird today. It's like gloomy but sunny. San Diego's bipolar. But I've been feeling really grateful at the gym lately. I think it has something to do with moving my body like so much this semester. But I think the best mindset in general, like attitude of gratitude, is just like being grateful that I can move, being grateful that I'm healthy enough to do all this. And like that mentality of like, I get to work out. You know, because not everyone does, and I feel really lucky to be able to do that. Okay, anyways, I have class in like 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna grab a little bite. I passed by BCB yesterday. It's this little cafe. It's like a little booth. I think there's one in one of the freshman dorms, not mine though, but there's also little booths like all around campus. And look at their specials, guys. They have happy holiday drinks. I passed by it yesterday and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try one. Milk and cookies, peppermint patties, the Nutcracker, the Grinch. Oh, this sounds good. Hazelnut. Okay, I'm gonna try the Nutcracker. Bon appetit. I got the Nutcracker and an original croissant. Taste test. I hope it's good. Cheers. Okay, not bad. It's actually pretty good. I usually get like either caramel or vanilla, but I really like hazelnut, so yummy. I give it like a 7.2. Yummy. Time for class now. Lecture. Also guys, I love this lecture hall. It's the best. But we just had an exam review because our final is next week. That was like our last class session because the next time we meet we're just taking the test and that's it. But all my professors have been making like end of the semester speeches and they're just like, thank you for taking this class. I really enjoyed teaching you. It's low-key like so sweet. I just can't believe my first semester is almost done and it's gone by so fast. Honestly, I'm ready to just like get these finals out of the way. Which by the way, I think I'll vlog for Vlogmas videos. Anyways, it's lunchtime right now. Low-key, I'm not like that hungry. I do want to show you guys East Commons though, which is like the food court area that I was talking about earlier, and I'll show you how busy it gets because obviously it's like peak time for food right now. Welcome to East Commons. There's an Aztec market right there and it's right next to the bookstore, but it's basically just food court style. Rubio, Subway, Halal Shack, Panda. There's like a chicken pizza place, another Shake Smart. This morning I went to the one in Student Union, but there's like 3 Shake Smarts around campus. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. And then the rest of the restaurants on campus are on like the street leading into the school, which is like College Ave. And then there's also like UTK, but that's kind of like really far from my dorm. So yeah, those are the main areas. I just filmed a TikTok outside of my dorm. If you're from my building and you saw me dancing outside, no you didn't. Anyways, but your girl is gonna take a small tiny little nap. I'm a little bit tired and I already have to start getting ready for the basketball game in like 3 hours, so I'll probably take a nap, eat something, and then we'll start getting ready for game day. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, part 2. I'm awake. My room looks really sad right now with the lights turned off. I'm craving a burrito. That is the first food that I thought of when I woke up, so we're gonna get a burrito. 2 favorite places to get burritos on campus are Rubio's, which is in East Commons, the food court, and Broyo, which is on College Ave. So we're gonna go to Broyo. I forgot to mention it this morning, but Broyo is also a place I go to a lot. Super yummy there. They have good breakfast and lunch too. Side note, I think I slept on my wrist or something because it really hurts. Oh, also, this is the Road cinnamon roll lip balm. Oh, thought I would mention because I literally want to eat this. It smells so good. I really like it. But I have like a little bit over an hour before I have to start getting ready, so this is perfect time to get me my burrito. Let's head out. There she is. There's a lot going on the street, but this is what it looks like. Basically, all of these restaurants, not TJ's, but all of them are on meal plan. School is right there, and I'm really grateful because it's not that far of a walk, and I get food on the street all the time. California burrito, that's what I might get. Hey, can I have the California burrito? Of course. Anything else? No, that'll be it. I am so excited. Yay! I'm just gonna eat here real quick. I usually only eat one half, then I'll take the other half to go. Cheers. Also, something I love about college is that it's not weird to like eat alone. Or at least I don't think it's weird. But I do a lot of things alone in college, like going to class, going to get food, especially being in a single dorm too. But I really enjoy my alone time and it's like peaceful. I'm gonna finish my burrito though and then we'll head back and get ready for game day. Okay you guys, it's been a little bit. I am now game day ready. Also guys, we're wearing our black unis. I haven't worn one to a game yet, so I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna put on these cover up just because it's been freezing in San Diego in the morning and nighttime. So I have a little Lulu SDSU sweatshirt and then the same sweatpants I was wearing earlier. And then I'm also going to pack my bag right now. This is my dance bag if you didn't know. Here she is. Got my palms and inside I always keep my lunch pail. I also always keep this like little essentials bag with just little stuff like biofreeze, band-aids, toothpicks. In my little lunch box, it's Hello Kitty. I have some snacks left over from practice. So I have a Chomps in here and some dates. These are from Trader Joe's and they're so good. Little Rice Krispie, some candy as little sugar pick-me-up, and then last but not least, just more liquid IV, and of course it's in the mango passion fruit flavor. But yeah, I always keep a little lunch pail in my bag with snacks like these, just so if we have any downtime, like before the game starts or at halftime or even after the game, I can munch a little bit if I need. So I'm just gonna put this back in there. I'm also going to fill up my water bottle with some more water, and then I also keep 2 water bottles on the side of my backpack too. Okay, but I think we're ready to go. I'm walking in like 10 minutes with some of my other teammates, and then we're gonna head to Viejas. Psych, there's one more thing. I just got a PR package from Poppy, and I already have some in my fridge, so I'm actually gonna share these with my floor mates, but these flavors look really yummy. There's Doc Pop, Lemon Lime, Coca-Cola, and root beer. I'll always put like little drinks or snacks outside my dorm, and then like text our little group chat if anyone wants to pick one up. And I'm telling y'all, by the time I get back from the basketball game, these will probably be gone. So yeah, let me put these out, and then we will head to Viejas.
Wait, I'm filming on what I eat in a day, so this is perfect. Why? Because I like food? Nope, because you're eating. So go ahead and show what you're eating. So I'm eating.
This is Sophia, if you didn't know.
This Hillshire snacking small plates, all natural extra pepperoni.
Did you get it from the market?
Yep, it was probably like $20 million, but wait, oh, the market's so expensive.
Oh yeah, that's valid. These are good though.
I rated like a 8 out of 10. Oh, pretty good pre-game snack.
That's good. Paige just said Santa's here.
Santa's here.
I really know. And this pause. I waved at them. I go. Wait, where are they sitting? Media. Wait, that's actually really cute. I wanna go. Wait, let's go. Okay, yeah, let's go say hi.
Say hi.
Hey. We're gonna say hi to Santa Claus. Yeah.
Dude, it actually just jumped out of my skin. Wait.
Oh, that's adorable. I'm gonna ask them to say hi to the vlog.
Guys, I just met Santa.
Can you say hi to the vlog? Say hi. Merry Christmas. Guys, question of the game day. What is your favorite restaurant on meal plan?
I've been currently really liking Everbowl.
Nice.
Olive oil.
Oh, facts. The panini place. Okay.
The Garden. Hot take. Eureka.
Oh, facts.
Eureka.
Fire. All right, let's go around. What is your favorite restaurant on freshman meal plan?
The Garden.
Oh.
You guys are lemonade.
It's true. I need to go more often. I feel like I didn't give it a fair chance.
You say Garden?
Yeah, Sophia said Garden. What do you say?
I wasn't the biggest fan of the Garden, but I love Shake Smart. Like, I eat Shake Smart
I got it this
every
morning.
day. Acai bowl.
Oh, Sophia doesn't. She doesn't.
You know what's crazy? This is not a twin moment.
Y'all are twinning right now. What was your favorite restaurant for freshman meal plan?
UTK.
Shake Smart.
Mine was the BCB Cafe in Chappie.
It was really good second semester. Okay, that was fire. Game time. Let's get it. Hey guys, it's halftime. Game's going really well. We're winning. Kaylee, do you eat a halftime snack or do you keep it like?
You know I don't.
Honestly, me neither.
I also always just forget to pack one, but I always fix my hair at halftime.
Always the brush.
I even bring the diaper down sometimes.
Someone's Celsius just spilled all over. Also, I see my parents in the audience. I'm so excited to see them after. When we win.
Good job.
Hello, hello. Oh, nice sweater, Dad.
So amazing.
Good job.
I missed you guys. I know, it's been 2 full days. Hi, Ava.
Good job.
Oh my gosh. Final score 75 to 81. It was a fire game. Post-game grub. And look, we're with my parents. A little double date. My parents and me and Ace. We're at a ramen restaurant and we just got chicken karage. Yum, yum, yum. But it's nice because obviously, I was explaining this, but we don't really go off campus for food. So like whenever we get the chance to, it's great. Cheers. The ramen is here. I got tonkatsu.
I got a creamy chicken.
Oh, yum. Okay, creamy chicken. What'd you guys get?
Spicy sesame.
Yum. Uh-oh, Dad took the jacket off. He needs the sweater off for ramen. See, I haven't had like quality ramen in a while because I just make ramen in my dorm.
This is great.
For the weather, so good. Today, it was really gloomy too. Like so sad.
It was really hot today though.
Oh, really?
I literally walked out in sweats and a tank top because it was like cloud coverage.
Oh,
I think.
I went out.
I was
like 4 though. Yeah, and it was like really sad.
I went out at like 12 because
Yeah.
I was in my class and I was like sweating.
No, it's so bad because during class time, you can't wear the same thing like in the morning or night. It's like 75 degrees or 30 degrees. Literally.
This is so good, you guys.
Hello everyone. So it is the next morning. It was my bad. I totally just didn't vlog when I got home and I didn't end this video. So we're here. Don't mind my appearance at the moment. I just got out of the shower. I'm getting ready for the day. I put another liquid IV in my water today as well. I just can't get over the mango passion fruit flavor. It's so good. But little update, when I got home, indeed all of the poppies were gone. Got to share with my floor mates, yay. But that's everything I ate yesterday as a college freshman here at San Diego State. I'll try to film more videos like this showing you all of the meals here because there is a lot of food offered at SDSU here on meal plan, so it's kind of hard to just show all of that in one day obviously though. But thank you for coming along with me and watching me eat all my food. I feel like I get a good balance between like healthy meals but also yummy ones at the same time where I feel like I'm not restricting myself because it's so important to take care of your health in general in college, but like for physical health, like working out, eating good, just taking care of your body. And I feel like I've been trying to balance that in semester 1. But if you guys stay till the end of this video, comment down below the ramen emoji. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like or comment down below, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the family channel, and turn on all the post notifications. I will see you guys back with another Vlogmas video tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye. Mwah.
Wanna hang out with my friends and